if la ndifenda begcwele abantu introduce pha nangu eshesana the success man wonke umuntu uzoba shocked uba success man who's this success man so umuntu pay attention phi umke ngoku laba bantu zoqala thina ukuyonjonga abayi socials
nyani bafuna uyibona nyani le nto ithethayo
eshesana the success man because ifumane kabi impasi ka lab because isebenza ngathi asekho pha kuna.
Because even with Upi Xhosa, we sat down also with, I think the manager approached us, but there was a sitting down happening. But after that, saya saqomba na makakasima kancane because sizama uzifumana and
you don't have problems. Kalile was Ayo, ladies and gentlemen, it is Eshesanga here, the success man in Scran, the chocolate no vanilla. We are back again with another episode of Eshesanga and Friends, episode 13. I'm not alone, I'm with a guest, a special guest today, Dagax. Say hi.
Sanibonani mfowethu njani? It was awkward. Ingqondo bese shocked with the title the sexiest man Estrand. The title wayinikwa okanye uzenzela okanye like and interview but wafika kanjani into kuba okay out of all these people including na Estrand and then ugqiba into kuba you are the sexiest man.
Well, the reason why naza nalene the sexiest man because yabo abantu xa besela bebona into beva nento for sure if la ndifenda begcwele abantu introduce pha nangu eshesana the success man wonke umuntu uzoba shocked uba the success man who's this success man so umuntu pay attention phi umke ngoku laba bantu zoqala thina ukuyonjonga abayi socials
nyani bafuna uyibona nyani le nto ithethayo
eshesana the success man why ngisele this sexy you sexy aja mazi hayi kamjo ndiyajoga pa scroll abona content I like
kuyaxakala
I follow it so it's more like into yotsala abantu
ndiyibona attention yani was like now think okay
yotsala abantu because band sexy uba sexy
okay
la une six pack 6
okay hey
so we want to know about Dagax. Who is Dagax?
Alright, so Dagax okanye Mr Gax kabanye igama lami ngiyandisa Magagana yabona. So my name my nickname has become my name lately because Gax is from my surname Magagana yabona. So abantu they were like okay Gax because of my so ngathi bebe nickname okanye bebe nteketisa or something, you understand. So Dagax is I say I'm an all-rounder. I do a lot of things, I'm into arts, I'm into events, I'm into entrepreneurship, I'm into just development, like seeing this production, seeing young people in this creating something like this, it just moved my heart. These guys are pushing, these guys are going far. I wish so I'm like, that's me, that's my heart, you understand. If you can't even if I'm not benefit to that, it's the fact that abantu benefit is the fact that abantu benento kwenza abantu besenza bayithandayo, especially when it comes to arts and culture, creative business, and into becoming self-development is something that I stand for. So that's me.
Okay. Yeah. So into ndiyakwenza like ufune like ube kwi arts and culture mo okanye wakhula uthanda iart okanye
I think that cool and gacho because uqala kwami into arts I started around about 2008 when I was in high school. Because like esikolweni ndandi primary school like I joined umculo uyabona, and then like when I get to high school and then I joined like a drama group from Esmanyene High School, not from Esmanyene, and then from then that joined like arts in the community, and I saw myself performing with theaters, being in DVDs like short DVD back then. Then like the cool lula yabona. Then I joined the organizations zalapha ekuhlaleni. I became part of that, and then from then up until the point whereby I started my own things now yabona. Yeah, so I'm involved into my own things. I'm involved in other things as well, but now I'm more into trying like to personalize stuff, yeah, so that I can have like a control and a handle, you understand. And also because I've seen that when at times like when you are with a group of people banzima mhlawumbe like to direct yabona your own like narrative, and also mhlawumbe with the vision that I have, it really like needs me to kwazi ba ndikwazi uyirun, you understand. I've come to a point whereby I try to like bring everything together and like personalize izinto yabona. Like we have like Legma, we have Leg, we have like the water business, we have like a lot of things when yeah.
So since waqala iart into i-art wajoyina into phofu, how do you handle ento zoba ube kwi-arts ube entrepreneur ube kwinto like zonke into uzimanajayo uzihandlisha njani? Because for sure so ba sometimes ube busy bengena enye into ngabe efuna la attention yakho, ngabe i-arts ngabe ifuna attention yakho, ngabe zi-businesses zakho ifuna attention yakho, uzihandlisha njani zonke zani?
Yeah, I think into annoyed is that when I have like I don't some of the things andisebenzi ndodwa yabona. So I have people that I work with, so I will delegate work at times, but obviously I will do oversee and ijonge into bana nyani iyenzeka yabona, if ndikunika umsebenzi, because it must come as if bana it's me who's doing it yabona. And also I always try like I plan yabona, I write things down yabona. So I always try not to like to double book myself yabona, or to duplicate izinto. So I will plan and then I will sit, you know bana ndiyaba kwenzeka ntoni next month ngethi. So I'll write down, so ndine calendar, I write my stuff down ngexesha ethile ndisendaweni ethile, xesha ethile ndisendaweni ethile yabona. And also if ufumanisa ezinto zonke endizenzayo mhlawumbe amaxesha amanye mhlawumbe ziyablenda uyabona, because like Legma, Leg and like zikwi-circle A1 azifuna mhlawumbe beka ndiyastretcha kakhulu uyabona myself. So yeah, I think I have people that I work with, have people that are managing me as well, me as a person, because there are things that I ezifuna mhlawumbe zithi zifuna uLegma okanye zifuna uLeg, but mhlawumbe zifune mna bekhona as a person, ifune mna mhlawumbe we are booking you as a person to come host this, or we are booking you as a person to come curate or manage this yabona. Not artist, I'm not managing artists. Artists yathanda ufuna this manager, guys, and manage the artist ndake ndayiqala into le ndayiyeka, you understand. So I think benteni ufuna indaba, so nazi indaba I'm no longer going, I've stopped managing artists yabona. Like you as an artist udinga manager funa be no ndaphuma, because but it's a conflict of interest with the other organization and part of which is Legma. So I can't be managing artists and also at the same time bendi kwi award body uyabona. So mhlambi it doesn't really, so okay Legma, and we sit down and they say but you can't do that. So then it's about this issue swiftly uyabona, because come a point when mhlambi the artists that I'm managing clearly so I win uyabona, ingakhange mhlambe kanti win so then, but wins was the votes. And then but get back then gone as manager where I had to declare to the Legma board in Dobana, okay, I'm managing so and so and so and so, and then I will sign down. Then when it comes to that person, I not say, because the chulo kubana, okay, they have a manager, then the team have the same, yeah. But obviously this doesn't behind the scene, they can't really like know or see if you are winning and manage. Also, but obviously, yeah, but let me come closer to Takaxi, let me like the picture, so that one and give votes. It doesn't work like that. It's not about you liking Doni, yeah. So what I'm trying to say is, so I'm no longer managing artists. I think that year can do like on the year 2 Legmas, and then they're like, okay, no more managing people. Yeah, let me just manage what I'm doing. Yeah, so yeah, I think depend.
So is iLeg business like yakho like wayiqala from the scratch?
uLeg yeah, uLeg
ndamqala
2018. No, we were not around then. 2018 because I launch uLeg yeah. So ndayiqala from scratch, and then Leg gave birth to Legma. yeah. So leg is it's a private company. It's a PTY Ltd. It's a private company.
So zifumaneka phi impahla zika-leg because isithi ngathi asekho pha kuna
Can I have more water, please? Can I have more water, please? This guy, yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, imibuzo yakho. Uthini umbuzo wakho?
zifumaneka impahla zakho leg.
Yo. Okay, impahla zami okwangozifumaneka WhatsApp. Zifumaneka WhatsApp, yeah. So zifumaneka ungazifumana Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram apho khona. So you just text, I'm text away ngoku. I'm not like I don't have a physical store. I used to have one, but challenges so boom, yeah. So I'm no longer having like a physical store. I would love to have one in the future, but ngoku just text away utagax and funa into ethile okanye into nekhoyo something like that. So people benza ngolo hlobo mhlawumbe bafuna umnqwazi, funa hoodie and yeah. But now also I think past 2 years or last year as well, we're trying to like to realign and to rebrand and also to think the whole narrative ka leg. There are many brands that as Koyo ngoku when everyone is doing brand and so we're always trying to wonder what is that we can do so that we can stand out, and also mhlambi what is it that we want to address, and then how can we keep ourselves unique, because now ngane brand nalo ngane brand everyone up is ngane brand yakhe, but ke ngoku thina into esifuna yenza differently, so also yeah, besike kathi kwangathi kuthulekile ngathi feel brand ayifanga, but we were still like thinking but okay singathini naba. I'm not sure bana sesiyifumene lonto le, but maybe sizayifumana okanye siyifumene angabikho angaxoli, because I don't want to lie, Leg is a Christian brand. I'm a Christian, so it's a Christian brand. I think that's what we want to address, Tina, we don't want to be like but obviously cool Christian, so that everyone we can accommodate everyone. I could talk about say Christians are izinto ezingacacanga, no, we want to do izinto as excellent, we want to do izinto as expensive, we want to do, because Christians have money, so we want to do izinto as expensive. yeah, they do. We want to do izinto as expensive, we want to do izinto as equality, we want to do izinto as appealing. Ibona ba t-shirt masibukeke sisihle, masibe quality, must print right. Yeah, so that's what we wanna do as now as Legman. Also we wanna stick to that. When okay, the brand is about this. Also fumana umuntu epetsule kwizikipa zethu. Yeah, uzofumana into eqondileyo, into like into that like okay, if we are okay, no, this thing is cool, this thing is speaking, this thing is right. But also one day, you must know what we stand for and what we are addressing and what we are saying as Leg. So sasayaka lonto leyo wena Ash.
So go i-brand zikhona i-brand ambassador kwi-Leg.
Angikho sure.
Njani? Because I see like some movie posts sababeke be-Leg advertise, so I assume bazi i-brand ambassador ka-Leg.
Angikho sure.
Ifana nondo ba umthitha kanene, the black guy ngicashele igawundi ngilibele. So you don't have a brand ambassador ku-Leg?
No, we no longer have a brand ambassadors ever since I think the last brand ambassador sakhe sanayo it was Ubixhosa, if I'm not mistaken. I think ever since then zange saphinda sathetha mhlawumbe Ubixhosa after mhlawumbe ixesha elithile. But okay, isithini ngosi siyangaphi na. So we are no really we don't. They are different between a brand ambassadors and with the people that you ask to shoot and to I think you call it difference, but like models and stuff, or the iconic different by so we can ask them, okay, we are promoting this, please join us and be part of that, but not they really like sit down, because I think if it's a brand ambassador they must be like a sitting down, but we want to ask you, we brand ambassadors, here are the benefits, not those benefit. If that didn't happen, you can't just see yourself or take yourself as an ambassador if you can't get on to because even with Ubixhosa we sat down also with I think the manager approached us, but there was a sitting down happening. But after that because and also I couldn't really like gauge, and because we gauge kakuhle i-impact of i-brand ambassadors or the previous brand ambassadors ezinye zange ndikwazi mhlawumbe uyigauge kakhulu manje okay because of manje i-brand ambassador nansi i-impact osowuyenzile andikayifumana incam yabona. So I'm also trying to see man okay how are we gonna measure impact because mhlawumbe si-brand ambassador mhlawumbe uyifumana mhlawumbe izinto ze-free and all that and all that, but again how are we gonna measure impact oyenzayo towards leg uyabona. Yeah, so zozo nto zasithi sisazifuna, and then if we are continuing with the brand ambassadors iza ngobani njani yabona, but okwangoku there is no brand ambassador here from me.
So the gags, let's say I'm an artist, ne?
Yes.
So I come to you, I'm like, the gags, I want to wear your brand, ne? But as I'm wearing your brand, I'm paying for it, but the only thing that I need from you is that you design it the way I want, and then you put in your everything, but it must be your brand, but then you guys will design it for me the way I want it. Would you guys be able to do that?
Yeah, that more of like customization, like we customize. Now we are, I think we are open for that. We can do that as long as we are paying. Yeah, but as long as you're paying. Because like it's fine no umuntu othi bana ndicela undenzele ijezi ubhale isiduko ngokrila uthangani, is the same thing, but it's just that wena ungokrila uyi artist yabo. So it's the same thing because umuntu uzana into yakhe athi bana okay ngicela umbhalele ukrila uthangani ayonto ifanayo naleyo.
But it will have
iyafana.
when you design into endiyidingayo kwendawo if ndithi ndifuna ibe this big, ibe this design, that's the only thing endizayifuna.
No, we can do that, especially if it's izinto that is accessible kuzo in terms of i-suppliers zethu zizinto sinokwazi ukuzenza uyabona. We can do that. Ungazothi gqi ufuna ijini zange senza jini uyabona, zange mhlawumbe ufuna idelela zange senza delela, so ungasube into mhlawumbe inqubo kwakho wayibona but ke ubona customized. Obviously izinto sikhe sazenza they are more of like streetwear, like i-track suit omashwabane, so ifuna ibe izikipa ibe zinto zi around low range. Ungathi igqizo usithi wena hayi wena ufuna ibarret zange wasibona sisenza ibarret. Yeah.
So what's the story behind Legma?
So like my story is like it's a story that what's the story behind Legma? Legma, I think Legma, it was more of because there was an era man up Strand where I think music and hip hop ngala xesha leni man eshesa ngisenini man ise young and
xesha lethu
ngala xesha leni man nise young and nise hungry nise united nise andiyazi man, but there was a time everyone knows that time. Everyone knows that time, and like there was a hype, a big hype that was happening around. I think that was around 2021, 2022. Yeah. Then I remember I attended one show. I think I said Fezek standing at the back there. Then I was still a manager of a certain group, so I was there invited. Oh, come. Yeah. So I was there, and as I was there, and then like a thought came in my mind, but I man, based on the level of you guys, the hard work, the unity, the everything that was happening at that space, I felt so impressed in my heart, man. As man says, man, I always something I can do. Yeah. So like, nah, man, these guys are good. What is it that I can do? I asked myself, like, what is it that I can do with my powers, with my platform, with my influence, with my whatsoever? What is it that I can do? Then I was like, yeah, I remember. Then the other time I was thinking about it and writing down and saying, okay. Then I saw Leg, because Leg was where I exist. Leg is a platform to organize this, and also Leg and this that I wanna do. It was gonna like promote Leg, because there were also songs about Leg, and also I was around the artist, and then I was like, no man, let me start awards. That was the basic thing. Awards to appreciate this that is happening, to appreciate the artists, the craft, the work, the excellence they are doing, and the sacrifice they are doing. When I even ask them, but okay, do you pay? I say, yeah, we are paying for recording, we are paying for mastering, we are paying for like, yo, these guys, we are paying for features. And like, no, they need to appreciate it. So it was a matter of appreciating and honoring and celebrating the artists alapha. Then but ngesixesha lihamba sihlala phansi, then it was we move it from Leg yabona, into a registered academy legma. So it's an NPC, a registered. We wanna make it an academy. So now it has its board. I wanna buy Ranayo and all that, and then there's like a crew. Then there's me, and yeah. So ngoku into ezimele out of leg, yabona, but it's a legma, which is Look at God Music Academy. Yabona. So within the academy, it's an academy now. Yeah, that's why it's legma. So within
That's what they did. Look at God Music Awards.
yeah, it started like that.
Oh,
but when we registering it, and then we felt, well, let's make it an academy. Yeah, let's make it an academy. As we're making an academy, we are not just doing the awards only, because we were none of ours for 2 years. We were doing awards. Hence, we have like capacity buildings. Hence, we have like music festivals. Hence, we have like even other things that we are doing. We are adding within the academy. So Legma, it's not just like an awards are part of what we do, a part of Legma, but we are not doing awards. The 16th of May, we have an event of Legma, which is still good. Yeah. So on the 16th of May, we have an event of Legma. Those are not awards, but it's Legma doing an event that is part of the academy. You understand? Yeah.
So, ngeziphi into i-disadvantage wakhe wadibana nazo when you were creating i-lab?
I think recently, one of the disadvantage that I'm in the experience I think I was doing umzekelo nge-Metro FM. Metro FM is awards, summer is awards, but you can't really point ubana kubani umetro, kubani umuntu wemetro, yabona. But for the legmas, you know me, you know where I stay, you know, but I post ndiyamaphi, like, you know me, yabona. So I think that it does like act as a disadvantage for me. Because you will see, man, but people they want your attention, and also people they will DM you, people they were like they want to, in terms of yeah, we are here, I'm born to we are phone. If you don't post into but I like it when we like it, but the winners, I was like, I'm not, and the winners abantu. I'm not saying when I was so like, but since you're like, because of I felt denial, feeling at some point then beg any measures around me. Especially because of award season, whereby I don't even like wish people, like oppose people. If let's say I know you, because I know people so if you happen to be nominated, at times I'm got no poster like with status, happy birthday, someone fuck a picture. Because what if ngathi bana uyabona, yabo. So okay, let me refrain on reacting because abantu bayandazi so umuntu avela kombana ye handa ngibona ehamba no Asanda, uyabona. Asanda nominate Asanda ngumeza, yabona. Hey umeza, yeah, I understand. So it does like an active it disadvantage, because like you know people, but now you can't really, because, and also now I must also, even if I happen to see, because obviously I will see results a day before. If I even to see a session we are winner or whatsoever, I need to be calm and how we are winner. To be professional, I can't release a results before. I can't tell you because if I know you. You understand? So I can't say stuff and as much as I know, because I people come ndiyazalana lo muntu lo, yabona, ndiyamazi mhlambi. So I can't say such things. So I think it disadvantage lonto leyo kum, but we can't really change, yabona. But like ziyakhula, yabona, they can't be like they are born in strength, but we don't want to limit them, not just me, but we don't want to limit them for strength. But we see Legmas as in Cape Town, it's a Cape Town Awards, as we see Legma logo it in the Table Mountain. So our eyes and our dreams are looking to the entire city of Cape Town. One day you will see them at Cape Town, one day you will see them at TV and all that. But what we want to refine as well, we want to keep them local awards. Yeah, we want to keep them local awards in terms of we want to look into like the grassroots level artists from the local and bringing them to the mainstream. So that's our heart. yabo, because if sizojonga hayi aba sebephumelele baphumelele, but we want to yabo. So there are artists that then is born and come, okay, these artists are upcoming, these artists are becoming, they are known, they are cooler, they started from Levma, we've recognized them, we've seen them, they are being booked and all that. So which is, that's what we want to see. But the artists from the local communities becoming artists that are in the mainstream, mhlambe Cape Town qala, mainstream to South Africa, yabona. Umzekelo, some of the artists, obani artists ozaziyo mhlambe enze ku mainstream lapha eCape Town, mainstream artists cinga ngabantu
izalapha
just nje noma izozalapha
ngoba
like eziziyiwe
yeah
Bass,
Osmo Bass Nkosi
Gaffy.
or Charles Bong. Like, those are artists I can say bana the artists that are being known with Cape Town as a whole, and also they are known outside. So that's what we wanna see. Wanna bring an artist, through Legmas, building artists as they recognize. Then they move from local, but to be where these other guys ezikuyo, and then this thing yan is sanyani so get after being put yaziwa. So we are trying. That's what we wanna see. That's what we wanna focus on. That's what we wanna build. Yeah.
So in terms of like, since you and Mr. Cox, you are working as like a group of people into Legma. So I wanna know like, aku been challenges in terms of like, once in a like consistent group, it's hard like to manage people, and abantu betshona bevela, and sometimes ababina nyani zongazawi ezano like sifike senzeka. How do you manage ezona and azike zichaphazele ufeel ba into ethile iyaleka because of I give it to someone ba makayenzi azike zikwenzekele nayo ezona, and how do you manage them?
If there is one thing after that and Pumanayo umbuzo uyabuzwa and when ibuzile ithi imibuzo bazobuza yona, no one said hayi khululeka, so it kuthiwa khululeka. Yeah, because so what's happening with the Legma structure, there's like me, there's a board, then after the board there's a like a working crew. A working crew is a group of people that we work with, that we organize stuff with, that we use towards that we are organizing. So I think if I can see it there, because abantu mhlawumbe obvious abanye abakangeni kule nto sikuyo okanye kule nto siyibuildayo, they are still trying to make their way. Others mhlawumbe basafuna mhlawumbe to be part of this something great, so you will get requests when the odds are coming here, we want to be part of this sifake ubuqoma nawe mhlawumbe uyalidinga uncedo, but mhlawumbe bebengaka on board to understand, because I believe we need to onboard people. But okay, this is Legma, this is what we are about, this is what we stand for, this is what to achieve. Yeah, but esikakhulu abantu nisebenza nabo kakhulu when this comes, because like we are, I would say event driven organization. So izinto sizenza event wise. So umzekelo, there's an upcoming event, then so we're gonna need people, because we are preparing for this event. People are there on the group, but now we are preparing for this event, then I will need them to work with them. Obviously there are challenges in terms of like communication, whereby we communicated this ingenzeke mhlawumbe ngendlela, okanye not communicated this mhlawumbe nam a challenge at time, okay belibani ithethile lento, a typical example, I think at the awards there was a stall of my water brand, the other business of mine. So the idea was to have a stall of water, whereby we display water, we sell water, people taste water and all that, and then some of the water maybe some of few waters will go to Esdaflin. Then when I came, I was like, okay, amanzi aphelile, like atesa like kangenzeka ngehlobo endicinga ngalo, and then umuntu uyathatha decision, but okay, no, we're gonna do because we siyayazi. I was like, today I don't wanna fight, let me have like peace. Yeah, so like let me just say today is a good day, it's okay, do what you have done, because I like there's nothing I can do. So I think also communication, onboarding bringing the team together and because okay, this is the vision, this is what we want to achieve, this is what we want to do, and also we communicate with people. Okay, before you do something, ask if you don't know. Get approval. Okay, no, you can do that. Don't just do things. So I think that as well. So we really need, because we are still new. Also we're getting new people. We really need to work on those things so that we have like games, we have like meetings, singadibane once before the event, because so understand that as a team. So yeah, see, we are still trying to check those, and also to curate what is it really that we wanna do as an academy. Because an academy is more of like a school. But with the workshops that we are doing, we are trying to answer that school part. Because workshop, I told people must come with a pen and a paper or a book, take notes, because in those workshops we invite people to come and like talk and share their experiences and knowledge. So when as an artist, upcoming artist, take notes and go and apply as those tattoo up, so that you can become one of the best. Yeah, so that's the whole idea. We're doing education, but like informally, not formally. It's an informal education, but it's an education. So we want to answer that part of academy with our workshops that we are doing. Yeah, so in the laptop, I really like closing it really like moved. I don't find a shutter. Like, okay, let me just like take one. But now after that, now I put my just this on my television. Then I was like, you know what? I believe like at the end of the day, I'm a believer. So I was like, no. I'm here release a little talk from my heart about that. So then obviously there are more laptops to come. Obviously maybe some laptops, like mosquito or something. MacBook or this is you understand. So I'm like, okay, it's just a laptop material. Let me just like leave it. Take a more as well. Make a plan about that. Understand? So yeah, then we have to the team and okay, because this for about laptop, let's move on. But we just need to know what this is about. So now I will know who left my because yeah. Otherwise, yeah.
So so mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi like since wastarta iLegma ngiqala ukwenzeka into kanje, like ubebe into while busy is something like yabo nje obusho ukuthi you are uplifting the community by helping ama biza ngani bafethu ama-artist yabo. So was it your first time ukuthi ube
No, it was our first time to experience such a thing, such loss. Or something. So yeah, so it's my first time. Yeah, that was like very, very direct. It was something that was in my position. And, yeah. So
khona ezinye into esiyilibalayo?
yeah, like people to follow Legma. Yeah, on Instagram we're Legma_740. On Facebook we are Legma. We're on Instagram Legma. Yeah, so please make sure that you follow Legma. We are really important. Also, I want to just do a special like thanks to people that are supporting Legma. Like the day ones, people that I ran to when I had an idea. When I have this idea, when I do this support, people that are giving up their monies, people that are sacrificing, people that are being there. Yeah, my family, my friends, my loved ones, people that are around me, man. I really appreciate them, and also the board of directors from the Legmas for entrusting me with the idea, and also the crew. The crew, yeah, the crew is going on. The crew, Legma working crew, we're so grateful. I'm still thinking about what is that I can do. There's something that is coming that I want to do for them, exclusive in house. I want for Legma just to sit down and celebrate, and we see what can we do moving forward. So I'm so grateful for them, because like they are very, very working. After their hours, or amkhitha usisibonga badiniwe ngoku badiniwe ngoku otherwise yeah bayasebenza those girls bayasebenza kakhulu in this country the Legma girls are Legma girls they are working very very hard. We appreciate them. Or Asanda, they are part of Legma. Or baninzi abantu bethi Legma yeah mnandi yahlala what is this like okay right, let me sit down you guys do the work was you understand what needs to be done but you ndlela yokuhlala yabona yabala because I need to make sure that the artists after that date but yeah so we have a big obligation to go look for money yabona because this thing we really need money we need the resources we need indawo we need a space whether it's a piece of land or whether it's like a space but whereby because what I say Legma is big Legma what I see, we're inspired by what's happening in Khayelitsha. The bridges are cutting. There's a big building that they bridges. That's a school, artists have been trained, graduator, they're doing a great things. So that's what we wanna see. We wanna build such thing. We wanna do like big festivals. We wanna do big awards. We wanna provide big spaces for Cape Town, and we are going there. God's willing. That's what we wanna do. So next year when you see us doing a big awards, you must know that this is what we are doing, this is where we are going, and slowly we are getting there because now we are laying brick. So yeah, thank you so much to everyone who have made. Thank you to you guys. We love what we are seeing. Maybe next time we'll see you on the awards. We don't know, but we love what we are seeing. We see guys like Bona, who's one 808 on bar. But now see we are doing this now. Some moves are proper questions. So I was shut up.
This is good. For coming. Thanks for coming. Really appreciate it. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. See you on another episode of Eshesana and Friends. Ngabe into back we have Owasanda Ontembeko or Remholi. Who Inam the side and I'm Eshesana the Success Man with Takatse. See you on episode 14.
Let's go.
Thank you.
This is Young M on the beat. Yeah. What's it? Waringa mas ngat. You think you we care, but you're not important to us. Yeah, they're tryna war with us. Gege nelunge bafana, yeah, we on top now. What's it? Waringa mas ngat. You think you we care, but you're not important to us. Yeah, they're tryna war with us.